Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial here on IT.tutorials. I'm Josef Botnar and I'm inviting you to another tutorial here on IT.tutorials. This time it is about a Python tutorial, specifically how we can print out something to the console in Python. So I'm working here on Replicacom. You can use any programming environment, what you like Visual Studio Code or PyCharm, so up to you. But I like this repli.com because it's very simple to work on it. So in order to print out to the console in Python, we have to use the print function. This contains this keyword print followed by parentheses, and here inside the parentheses we can put either a variable or a string. In this case I'm going to put a string. In order to be able to use a string, we have to use inside the parentheses double quotes. And here inside the double quotes I have to write the string, which actually it is a text. It is a sequences of characters like hello IT.tutorials. Yeah, what is nice in Python, you don't need to put a semicolon to the end of the line statement, like in the C# or the C, C++. Now hit the run button. Okay, here I've got some update. Here you go, this is the result. Hello IT.tutorials, which actually is this text inside the parentheses and inside these double quotes. Okay, but we are human, we can do mistakes. What is going to happen if you miss to put to the end of this line the double quotes? So let's remove the double quotes. Yeah, and let's hit again this run button. As you can see on the right side here is written with red a lot of text, and which is important for you is this line of text where is this syntax error. That means we have inside this statement a syntax error, and here we have this EOL, which means the mistake, the error is at the end of your line. So this stands for and, E, O, and L of line. So end of line. Yeah. So it's quite easy to work out what this error is about. So you just check the end of your line statement. So it's quite obviously here double quote is missing. But if you can't figure out, you just copy this line of error and paste it in Google here. And already here you see you have an explanation what does this EOL stands for. Yeah, end of line, as you can see. Or I suggest you to go on Stack Overflow and click on it, and here you will find the answer needed. Yeah, and here is the answer. You are not putting a double quotes before the end of the line. Yeah, so it's quite easy to figure out an error in Python in this way as I showed you. Now I'm going to put back the double quotes at the end of this line, hit again the run button, and here is the result. Hello IT.tutorials. So this was the Python tutorial for today. For now, thank you for watching this tutorial. I'm waiting for you to watch my other tutorials here on IT.tutorials. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.